A very good evening to all of you. Myself Kisan Patel, and today we are going to cover a very important topic from the basic thermodynamics, that is, a modes of the heat transfer. So let us begin. And now these are the contents which we are going to study through this entire video. So what we are going to study, that is modes of the heat transfer. That means how many modes of heat transfers are there, and introduction of these all three modes of the heat transfer, that is conduction, convection and the radiation. Okay, now before going to the what exactly these modes of the heat transfer, you should know what is the meaning of heat. Am I right? Correct. So when you say that heat is going to be generated or heat is going to be transferred, am I right? Correct. Now to introduce that, I have shown one diagram here. Correct. One side there is a high temperature, other side there is a low temperature, and I have shown an arrow which is pointing from high temperature to low temperature. So what is meaning of this diagram actually? Correct. So meaning of this diagram is heat is always going to be flow from the body which is at higher temperature to the body which is at lower temperature. Correct. So what if when both the temperatures are same? That time heat is not going to be flow anywhere. Okay, so there has to be a temperature difference in order to the flow of the heat. Fine, I hope it is clear. And in SI unit we measure heat in terms of joule. Okay, so let us begin with the actual topic. Okay, that is the conduction. Fine. Now first question is where this conduction takes place. Okay, and next is how it takes place and what is the law which governs this conduction. Okay, so all this question will be answered in this slide. Okay, so conduction is basically takes place in case of the solid. That is the first. Now question is how the conduction takes place. Okay, now to understand that, I have shown one diagram here. Okay, the person is holding some material, of course it is a conductor. Okay, now what will happen is when you start hitting that conductor from one side. Okay, so what will happen is the molecules or atoms which are there, they are start vibrating. Okay, when they start vibrating, now why they are vibrating? Because we are excited them by the applying the external heat. Correct. So when they start vibrating, they transfer their energy to the neighboring molecule. The neighboring molecule start vibrating and it will transfer the energy to next neighboring molecule, and these phenomena will go on continuous unless both the end temperatures are same. This is how the conduction takes place. Okay, and another important point you have to note that in conduction there is no movement of the molecule from their original place. That is, molecules does not leave their space to transfer the heat. Fine. And the law which governs, okay, see, every mode of the heat transfer will be governed by certain law. Okay, in this slide the conduction which is governed by the Fourier law. Now what is Fourier law? What is expression for Fourier law? Okay, how we can apply this Fourier law for different cases? All this will be discussed in the next slides. Okay, I hope this is clear. So next mode of the mode of heat transfer is the convection. Okay, now as we discussed in the conduction, in conduction the atoms or molecules, they don't leave their space in order to transfer the heat. Correct. But in case of the convection, molecule has to be a travel through a certain distance in order to transfer the heat. Okay, now why is it so? Because when you see the structure of solid, in solid the atoms are very compactly arranged, whereas in liquid or maybe in a gases they are loosely arranged. Therefore if at all the molecules want to transfer the heat, they has to move or they have to leave their space in order to transfer the heat. Okay, I hope it is clear. Fine. And convection, of course, convection is usually occurs in case of the fluid. Or another one criteria is convection is going to occur only if in two medium one has to be a fluid. Now fluid may be air or fluid may be a gas. Okay, the law which governs the law which governs this convection is the Newton's law of cooling. We'll discuss the Newton's law of cooling in the next slide. I hope it is clear. Okay, and the last mode of heat transfer is a radiation. Now one point you have to note that is conduction and the convection, both the mode of heat transfer, they need a medium. Okay, so this is what the difference between conduction, convection and the radiation. That is, radiation does not require any kind of medium in order to transfer the heat, and the heat is going to be transferred in the form of the electromagnetic waves. Okay, to understand it better, I have given the example, that is the heat energy transfer from the sun towards the earth. It is takes place without any form of the medium, and this heat energy is transmitted in the form of tiny packets. We call them as a photons. Okay, and the law which governs the radiation is the Stefan Boltzmann law. I hope all the modes of heat transfer are cleared. Okay, if at all you are having any doubt, you can comment on the video and we will get to that. Okay, thank you.